Welcome to another tutorial. I'm your host Fraser, and this is your Great Vision video production where I'm sticking to the convention of naming my finite automata states ones and zeros, transitions between them ones and zeros. I've stopped using B and A as you would find in your tutorial books. So I want to convert this into grammar, but before I do that, let me just let me run through these these steps first. So my initial state is at Q0. So, and I'm gonna pass in to there is my final state depending on your input, whether the last bits or like the last bits are zeros, you will get you'll end up in this state, and if your last bits are ones, you'll end up in this state. So I'm gonna start with the one where my first bits and my last bits are opposite. So this one I input 1 and then I end up in Q1, input and then carry on from there, and I'm busy going back and forth between Q1 and Q2, and my transition just demonstrating how a loop would work if Q1 and Q2 were looped together with zeros and ones. So they'll go back and forth between these two bits until your final input is 0 0. So what if my final input is 1 over here? So I will go as follows. Let me step through it. My initial, and let me reset and go from there. So I'm going back and forth between Q1 and Q4, and I end up in Q4. As you can see, it's written over there. So reset Q1, Q3, Q4, Q1, Q3, Q4, and then I end up with my 1 1. So you can see how finite automatas work, and I'm so glad that you're able to basically see where I'm going with this, and I just hope sooner or later you'll understand how it's going. Thank you for watching.